If you don't like tech headaches but still want smooth downloads, then follow these steps. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection and enough storage space. Restart your device to clear any temporary glitches. Next, let's clear Chrome's browsing data and cache. Go to Chrome Settings, then Privacy and Security, and tap Clear Browsing Data. Select cached images and files and clear it. Now, check your extensions. Disable or remove any recently added ones. They might be the culprit. Is Chrome up to date? Head to Chrome Settings, About Chrome, and make sure you're using the latest version. Try downloading in incognito mode. If it works, it's likely an extension or profile issue. If all else fails, reset Chrome to its default settings. This won't remove your bookmarks or history. Still stuck? Temporarily disable your antivirus or VPN and ensure Chrome has storage permissions. As a last resort, reinstall Chrome from the Google Play Store. Follow these steps and you'll be back to smooth downloads in no time.